we are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more unclear words both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is usually said as sextuplets. You do want to stress on the second syllable, on the two syllable, sextuplets. In American English, however, this is usually said as sextuplets, sextuplets in American English versus sextuplets in British English. Did you get it? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.